Meat and dairy are not the only foods that have a negative environmental impact, though. So if your food has to be shipped from faraway places, like if you're buying food that is not in season and they have to ship it from somewhere far away, if it uses a lot of water in production, or if the land required to produce it leads to deforestation. So if people are cutting down trees to plant avocado trees, that's not very good for the environment either. So some examples include avocados, which are not very good for the environment, coffee, mushrooms, chocolate, almonds and cashews, and bananas. So what's important to remember with this is it doesn't mean that you shouldn't eat these foods, because I love avocados and I love coffee and I love chocolate. It just means keeping in mind that these foods do have a negative impact, so you consume them in moderation. You don't buy too much of them, and you try to buy in season when you can, or from ethical companies. So this is examples of how to eat for the environment. So it's a solution. Eating more plants. Plants consume a lot less water to produce. They take up a lot less land. You eat in season. So what fruits are in season in the summer? What fruits are in season in the winter? That kind of thing. Buying local so that you're not shipping your food from faraway places. Don't waste your food, so try to only buy what you need and you eat it and don't throw it away. Eat meat and seafood in moderation, so just be careful with how much you consume. And if you're buying meat or seafood, try to buy from a company that has eco-friendly policies, which is basically the same thing as this. Eat less processed food, because that also uses a lot of energy and chemicals. You can compost your food if you can, or what's even better is if you have a small garden, or even just you can grow some plants in just a pot. So you can grow your own food if you want to, like tomatoes or herbs or other fruits and vegetables if you can.